In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice in Claude AI app. By the end, you'll know exactly where the voice option lives and how to switch to the one that suits your style, whether you want something more friendly, more formal, or just a different tone for clarity. First, open your Claude account. That simply means launching the Claude app or visiting the website and signing in so you're on your main home screen. Make sure you're using the account where you want the voice setting to apply, especially if you switch between devices. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that before you start because voice options often appear with newer versions. Next, go to Profile. You'll usually find this by tapping your profile picture or initials, typically in the top corner of the screen. On desktop, it might be in the upper right. On mobile, it could be in a menu bar. Opening Profile brings up the place where all your personal preferences and account details are organized. From there, select Settings. Look for the gear icon or the settings label in the profile menu. This is where Claude groups all the controls that affect how the app behaves, from notifications to appearance to, in our case, voice. If you don't see settings right away, scroll within the profile panel or expand any collapsed menus. Inside Settings, head to the General section. General is where the most commonly used preferences live, and this is where you'll find the voice selector. Once you're in General, look for the option labeled Voice or something similar. Now simply select the voice you prefer. You may see a list of named voices, each with a distinct style. Pick the one that matches how you want Claude to sound. Some versions offer short previews, so you can hear a quick sample before committing. After you choose, the change usually takes effect immediately. If there's a Save or Apply button visible, click it to confirm. If not, your selection is likely auto-saved. Keep in mind that the available voices can vary by region or platform, so the list you see on desktop might differ slightly from mobile. If the voice option doesn't appear, try updating the app, checking your internet connection, or signing out and back in. And remember, you can revisit these same steps anytime to switch to a different voice as your preferences change. That's it. Open your account, go to Profile, open Settings, tap General, and pick the voice you like. Enjoy customizing your Claude experience.